had another gorgeous day today. Temperatures were actually even warmer at O'Hare than what we experienced yesterday. So today, so far, is now your warmest day of 2025. 54 degrees was our high at O'Hare. Same thing in Gary, 55 at the Chicago Lakefront, 53 in Waukegan, made it to 51 in Woodstock, 56 in Joliet. 56 degrees also in Kankakee as well as Rensselaer. So again, a gorgeous day. Right now we're starting to see those temperatures slipping just ever so slightly. Notice we are now down into the upper 40s for places like Woodstock. Same thing in DeKalb, 49 degrees down to 43 at O'Hare. It's 48 in Gary, most of Northwest Indiana now sitting in the mid to upper 40s. Your 5-day forecast here tomorrow, we're still expected to be nice and mild in the 50s for your highs. Typically for this time of the year, your average high is right around 40, so we're going to be about 10 to 12 degrees above that tomorrow, and then we're dropping back down into the mid-40s on Thursday, so a brief little cool down before we shoot back up into the 50s by Friday. So on Friday afternoon, it's going to be very gusty. We're counting on winds gusting as high as about 40, maybe even 45 miles per hour at times. But it's going to get very warm. We're counting on temperatures that are going to be as high as mid, maybe even upper 50s before we drop down into the 30s going into this upcoming weekend. So your satellite and radar, we're watching an area of rain that's further off to our west and northwest. That eventually is going to be working its way through the area late tonight and then into early tomorrow morning. So brief heavy downpour is going to be possible. I have the clock stopped here between 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Scattered activity is still going to be around. But once that cold front moves through, we're going to notice our wind direction, it changes. It's becoming west-northwesterly during the afternoon. So that's going to drop temperatures a bit. I think your highs that are going to be in the low 50s are likely going to occur right around midday, early afternoon. After that, we're very quickly going to be dropping into the 40s and then at night down into the 30s. Notice snow shower activity getting very close to us, but I'm not concerned about that going into Thursday. If anything, I think we could see an isolated rain shower or two, but your temperatures, they still look pretty good for this time of the year. We're going to be in the 40s on Thursday, and then 50s are set to return again by Friday afternoon. Right now, here's your view. Gorgeous sunny skies overhead. It's 53 degrees still. We have west-southwesterly winds of 9 miles per hour. Dew point temps are down into the mid-30s. That gives us a good idea of about where low temperatures are heading tonight. We're going with a low of 36 degrees. Once you factor in south winds 5 to 15 miles per hour, that could send wind chills very briefly into the upper 20s, but for the most part, a very mild night ahead. We have mostly cloudy conditions late tonight, and then showers are going to begin to move in late tonight, sticking around into the first half of your day on Wednesday. 7-day forecast tomorrow, rain in the morning. After that, it's going to just be mostly cloudy, 52, 46 on Thursday. Small chance for an isolated rain shower. On Friday, we're partly cloudy, a high of 56 degrees, then 30s going into the upcoming weekend. We will end the weekend with some sunshine. And then Monday, we're still dry. Warmer air is going to begin to build back in. We're in the 50s again by Tuesday, but that chance of showers, that's going to return again too. Keep it here. We have more local news right after the break.